Modern UTVs and quads are designed for rugged off-road terrain, but the factory CV axles on your machine might not always keep up with the challenges. Whether you're tackling tough trails or handling daily utility tasks, there's room to upgrade and improve your ride's reliability and performance. Introducing GSP CV axles, the perfect upgrade or replacement for your UTV or quad. Whether you're feeling vibrations in your steering wheel, hearing clicking sounds during turns, or spotting grease near your wheels, a failing CV axle is likely to blame. That's where GSP comes in. We've engineered solutions tailored to meet the needs of different machines and applications. For lower horsepower machines, GSP's OE Plus line is designed to be competitive in the market while maintaining OE-level manufacturing and quality. Perfect for utility vehicles and quads, these axles deliver reliable performance at an unbeatable value. For higher horsepower machines, GSP offers two robust options. The HD line, designed to handle more power and abuse, these axles are 10% stronger than OE spec. Ideal for side-by-sides and quads, they feature improved joint housing size and center bar thickness where necessary, ensuring better durability and suspension performance. The XD line, the ultimate in durability. These axles are 30% stronger than our HD line and are built using 4340 steel for maximum strength. Exclusively designed for side-by-sides, the XD line is made for those who demand the best. GSP also provides heavy-duty premium boot kits to ensure your axles are protected and performing their best. With all necessary hardware included, our high-quality kits keep your vehicle moving even in the harshest conditions. All GSP CV axles are built with precision engineering and Tier 1 quality control to maximize performance and service life. Whether you own an Arctic Cat, Can-Am, Polaris, John Deere, Kawasaki, Kubota, or other popular brands, GSP has you covered. Don't let a stock CV axle hold your machine back. Visit gspnorthamerica.com to learn more and order the right axles or boot kits for your UTV or quad today.